Hello, in front of me I have REALME Watch 2 Pro, and I'm gonna show you how to enable the Do Not Disturb mode on this device. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch. To do it, simply press the side button. After you wake up the screen, swipe right on the screen to open the quick panel. And here we have Do Not Disturb mode icon, the one with the moon on it. To enable the mode, simply tap on it, like this. And to disable the mode, simply open the quick panel and tap on the Do Not Disturb mode icon again. You can also enable Do Not Disturb mode through settings, and there you have a few more options for it. So let's open the settings. To do it, you can either open the quick panel and tap on the settings icon, or swipe upwards on the screen to open the menu, scroll down and tap on the settings icon. In settings, scroll down and you should have Do Not Disturb mode option right here. Tap on it. And as you can see here, we have a few options. First one is enable now. If you tap on the switch next to it, and then tap the check mark to confirm, you're gonna enable the Do Not Disturb mode. And if you tap on the check mark or other switch again, you will disable it. Below we have schedule. Basically here we can set up a schedule for our Do Not Disturb mode. To do it, simply tap on schedule, tap the check mark. Now we can tap on start time, basically the hour on which the Do Not Disturb mode will be turning on, and you can set it by swiping up and down right here on the left to set the hours. So for example, let's set it to 9 or 9 p.m., right? And maybe 9:30 p.m. Okay, so here we have minutes. You can also swipe up and down to set them. So let's set it to 9:30, like this. And then we can tap on end time. This is the hour on which the mode will be turning off. So let's set it to maybe something like 10:30 a.m. Like this. Then tap the check mark. Once you set the times, tap check mark to confirm. And now as you can see, the schedule is enabled. And it's gonna be turning on at 9:30 p.m. and disabling itself at 10:30 a.m. Okay, you can also disable the schedule by tapping the switch next to it. Now, below we have smart mode. If you enable this option, like this, your watch basically will detect when you're asleep or not wearing your watch, and it's gonna be enabling the Do Not Disturb mode automatically. And you can also disable this option, like this. Okay, and once you're done, simply swipe right on the screen or press the side button to go back to the watch face. And that's how you enable the Do Not Disturb mode on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.